Video na to, ang focus natin is to find the next term of harmonic sequence, Fibonacci sequence, and of course, to find the pattern of the sequences. In this module 1, sequences, meron tayong apat. The first is arithmetic sequence. Okay, the second one is geometric sequence. The third is harmonic sequence, and the fourth one is the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, pero ang focus natin dito sa video na to is harmonic sequence and Fibonacci sequence. So let's have first the harmonic sequence. What is harmonic sequence? Harmonic sequence is a sequence that the reciprocal of the terms form an arithmetic sequence. Ang harmonic sequence ay reciprocal siya ng arithmetic sequence. Okay, so let's have an example. We have the arithmetic sequence 3, 6, and 9, 12. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12. The pattern is we add 3, or the common difference is 3. In arithmetic sequence, we have 3, 6, 9, 12. Pagdating sa harmonic sequence, it becomes 1 over 3, 1 over 6, 1 over 9, 1 over 12. Okay, kung ano yung arithmetic sequence, kukunin lang yung reciprocal. So, yun yung magiging harmonic sequence. Okay. Let's have an example number 1. What is the next term in the sequence? 1 over 3, 1 over 6, 1 over 9, 1 over 12. What is the next term? To find the next term, we're going to find the next term of an arithmetic sequence 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, the common difference is 3. Therefore, the next term of the arithmetic sequence is 15. And then, we're going to find the reciprocal of 15. And the reciprocal of 15 is 1 over 5. Is the next term of the harmonic sequence. Okay, next, number 2. Given the arithmetic sequence 14, 12, 10, 8, 6. Find the first 7 terms of the corresponding harmonic sequence. Okay, so this is the solution. We're going to complete the 7 terms of the given arithmetic sequence. Okay, first, let us identify what is the pattern or what is the common difference. Okay, based on the given, we have 14, 12, 10, 8, 6. The common difference is negative 2. Okay, kung napapansin nyo, nag-a-add tayo ng negative 2. So, 14 minus 2 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 or 6. Or 14 plus negative 2 is 12. 12 plus negative 2 is 10. 10 plus negative 2 is 8. 8 plus negative 2 is 6. That is the common difference of the arithmetic sequence. Okay, now we have 14, 12, 10, 8, 6. The first term is 14, the second term is 12, the third term is 10, fourth term is 8, fifth term is 6, and the sixth term is, by adding negative 2, we have 6 plus negative 2, the answer is 4. And to find the a sub 7 or the seventh term, we add negative 2. So 4 plus negative 2 equals 2. Okay, so those are the 7 terms of the arithmetic sequence. The next term is to find the reciprocal of the arithmetic sequence 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Therefore, the first 7 terms of the harmonic sequence are 1 over 14, 1 over 12, 1 over 10, 1 over 8, 1 over 6, 1 over 4, 1 over 2. Okay, number 3. Given the arithmetic sequence 25, 20, 15, 10. Okay, so the question is find the 9th term of the corresponding harmonic sequence. So this is the solution. Determine the 9th term of the arithmetic sequence. So kunin muna natin yung 9th term or pang 9 na term ng arithmetic sequence. Kung i-observe natin yung pattern, we have 25, 20, 15, 10. So nag-a-add tayo ng negative 5. Okay, so 25 plus negative 5 is 20. 20 plus negative 5 is 15. Plus negative 5 is 10. That is the common difference of the arithmetic sequence. Next, 25, 20, 15, 10. 25 is a sub 1, 20 is a sub 2, 15 is a sub 3, 10 is a sub 4. Okay, para makuha natin ang a sub 19, kunin muna natin lahat ng terms, which is ang a sub 5 is 5, a sub 6 is 0, a sub 7 is 0 plus negative 5 is negative 5. Then a sub 8 is negative 5 plus negative 5 is negative 10. And a sub 9, negative 10 plus negative 5 is negative 15. Okay, so next, the arithmetic sequence 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0, negative 5, negative 10, negative 15. Therefore, the ninth term of the harmonic sequence is negative 1 over 15. Now, let's solve your activity number 1, which is the harmonic sequence activity. Number 1, find the 10th term of the harmonic sequence 1 over 4, 1 over 7, 1 over 10, 1 over 13. Number 2, given the arithmetic sequence 11, 9, 7, 5, find the 6th term. Okay, now let's have the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence. What is Fibonacci sequence? Fibonacci sequence is a sequence where its first two terms are either both 1 or 0 and 1. So, term is obtained by adding the two preceding terms. Okay, so let's have an example. Number 1. What is the next term in the Fibonacci sequence 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8? So again, term is obtained by adding the two preceding terms. Again, in this example or in this sequence, we have 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. Therefore, the next term is 13. Okay. And if you're going to find the term after the 13, i-add lang yung 8 at saka 13. 8 plus 13 is 21. So that is how to find the next term of the Fibonacci sequence. Next, number 2. Given the Fibonacci sequence 21, 34, 55, find the next 4 terms. So our first term is 21. Our second term is 34. Third term is obtained by adding 21 and 34, and that is 55. And to find the a sub 4 or the fourth term, we're going to add 34 and 55. So we have 89. Next, to find a sub 5 or the fifth term, add lang natin yung 55 at 89 equals 144. Next, to find the sixth term, we add 89 plus 144 equals 233. Okay, and to find the seventh term, we add 144 plus 233 equals 377. The next 4 terms of the sequence is 89, 144, 233, 377. Okay, next, let's have an activity number 2 for the Fibonacci sequence. Find the next 12 terms of the Fibonacci sequence 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. So, ituloy lang natin yung pattern. So, we add the two preceding terms para makuha yung next terms.
Okay, that's all for now, and thank you for watching. So, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you!